Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you the new AI translation feature in pCon.basket. It allows you to translate article texts directly within pCon.basket, quickly and easily, without the need for any additional tools. If your article data isn't available in the selected offer language, you can now translate it automatically with just a few clicks. This way, you always have complete and linguistically consistent offers ready for your customers. Imagine you're working on an offer for a French customer. The article data provided by the manufacturer, however, only includes English texts. To ensure the content matches the selected offer language, you can translate these texts directly into French. In the article text field, you'll find a small arrow icon in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll see the option AI Translate. The AI automatically translates the text into the language you've defined as the offer language in your project's header data. At the top, you'll see the original text from the corresponding text field. This field is no longer editable, so make sure the content is correct before translating. Below, pCon.basket displays the suggested translation. With one click on Apply, the translation is applied directly to your article text. This works for all texts, whether they come from manufacturer data or were added manually, giving you full flexibility at any time. It's that simple. Translate article texts into your customer's language with just a few clicks. With the AI translation feature in pCon.basket Pro and Integration Edition, you can handle multilingual projects efficiently, save time, and ensure your customers always receive content in their preferred language. Give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and leave us a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.